You're so cute. I'm gonna get a picture of you. Do you know?
That's why they do that. That's why they act the way they are. Could you validate that attention? Put them out in the field for a week. See if they come by that table.
I'm posting a picture of the dogs to my Discord.
I'll tell you what, younger generations.
Can you guys hear her?
They don't even know what's coming. You put that dog. You put that dog for a week with my dad. We get none of that. None of that around here. Put you to work.
Is Nandra here? Oh, is it too much chewing? I don't want chewing ASMR.
No. Gotta get you to the Catholic school. Teach you a little bit of that God respect.
It's her begging grunts. Did you know you've been begging enough? I'm giving you one morsel.
That's what I tell them.
She is instantly like, what the f?
This is all streamers have, I guess. I don't know if you're aware, but we're streaming right now. So if you're going to jump to the conclusion, assume that what we're talking about on stream is what we talk about off stream. You might be right.
Thank you, Yishi. I was just hoping a dog would hack up while I was eating. Perfect timing. I think you should make an ASMR channel, a GTRP channel, a skit channel, a clip channel, a VOD channel, a main YouTube channel, a cooking channel.
No, ASMR I think I could actually farm because I know how to finesse that audience. I know how to give them what they want. It's my version of OF almost. You know what I mean? I just didn't know it at the time. If I capitalized on it at the time more effectively, I'd have millions.
Juno. Come here, Juno. Sit.
I tell you what, these youngins have it easy. You send her ass to boarding school, show her what reality is like. Send her to a Catholic school. You send her over to grandma.
This is how she begs, chat. She's not snoring. She doesn't snore. She doesn't have asthma. This is how she begs. She's physically making that sound.
Oh my God. This newer generation is incredibly weak. We're sad. You never catch me dead doing that. My grandpappy's table.
Somebody just call her big ass vibrator. She got shamed. You're not a vibrator. Dude. And then she's just like hacking up behind us.